Hi and welcome in today's new video. Today I'm willing to share my favorite pizza recipe. It's a high protein, low carb pizza recipe and the crust is made with only 3 ingredients. So let's start. We need 3 ingredients. So we got the ground chicken. That's a tips for you guys. If you have some extra ground meat, you put it in a jar and then it's gonna get darker, because when you leave it open it just get darker, it doesn't look good. So when you put it in a jar it stay the same. So to keep it longer, put it in a jar. So some mozzarella cheese, just like this, and 1 egg. That's it. 3 ingredients and you have a high protein, low carb chicken pizza crust. So you guys need to try this recipe. So we're gonna start it now and it's really quick and easy. First thing first, I preheat my oven at 400 degrees. So while I will be making the dough, the oven has to be preheated. In a large bowl, I had half a pound of ground chicken, 1 egg, and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. If you want to make a bigger pizza crust, you can just double the service. So 1 pound of ground chicken and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 egg. So of course we need to add some seasoning on it. So I add some salt. I had some dry herbs, a mix of herbs and some peppers, but you can use any kind of spices you want. Sometimes I do it with Italian seasoning and it comes out really well. Now it's time to mix everything to combine. So I start using a spoon, but you can totally use a blender, but not too high to do it. But I was so lazy to take off my blender, so I end up finish with my hand. So I just match everything really quick with my hands. I will look in the video. In a pizza plate that goes in the oven or any kind of plate that you have, you will line up some parchment paper and you're just gonna spread the dough on top. So you just spread the dough evenly on top. Make sure it looks like a circle. Just as you see in the video, I really take my time to spread everything evenly and I make sure I have a nice circle to get that crust pizza shape that we like. This is how it should be looking like before it goes into the oven. A nice circle. Then the dough's going in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. I just removed the crust from the oven. This is how it's supposed to look like, a little bit golden. So I will let it sit for 5-10 minutes before I add my toppings in. You can use whatever you want. I just went simple. I had some tomato sauce on top. I had some onions and some bell pepper, but honestly you can add anything you want. And I finish with a top of mozzarella cheese. And here my pizza is fully topped. So now I just gonna put it back in the oven for 10-15 minutes, just the time the cheese on top melt. Look at me, this gorgeous pizza. This pizza, it's perfectly cooked. Who can believe that ground chicken could make a nice pizza like this? Trust me, if you wanna lose weight and build muscles, you don't have to have any kind of restrictions. You can still enjoy the food that you like, and this recipe is a proof of it. I hope you guys gonna like and subscribe, and see you again for our next video. Bye.